Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2015 to present Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch ProComp Lift Kit on it and some 18x9 fuel hostages in a black finish and some 33 1250 R18 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. Now these wheels, they're an 18x9 with a positive 1mm offset, and the tires are hybrid tire, so it's got the tread pattern of a all-terrain but the depth of a mud terrain. It's also a 12-ply tire. If you want more information on this tire and wheel combo, somewhere at the end there will be a link to our wheel matchup video on these tires and wheels. However, we put a 3-inch ProComp Lift Kit on it. Now the ProComp Lift is made for a Toyota FJ, however it does transfer over to a 4Runner. It's a 65210K lift, that's the part number. So if you go to 4 Wheel Parts or if you go to our website central-alps.com, type in 65210K and that will pull up the 3-inch ProComp Nitro Lift for a FJ, but it works on the 4Runner. It's a easy lift to install if you're mechanically inclined. You just take off the strut, put a strut spacer on the top, throw it back in, add some spacers for your skid plate in the front, and then on the rear you just disconnect your shocks, take out your spring, throw a new spacer on top of the spring, throw it back up, connect your shocks, connect your sway bars, and you're good to go. We also added an integrated LED light bar to the grille. We did not use a kit. We had to fabricate our own brackets for that. And then we put a integrated factory style switch for it. The way that we mounted this LED light bar is from the front cross member. It's just got some brackets that we fabricated and then we mounted it to the cross member. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, you want some side steps or running boards or a roof rack or a bumper or a light bar, go to our website central-alps.com and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, you could be looking at this 4Runner and you could be saying, Michael, I love the 4Runner, I love the color, I love the tires, I love the wheels, I love everything about it. I just wish I could buy this rather than going to the Toyota dealer and buying a Toyota and bringing it to you and having you lift it and build it. I just want it already done. Luckily for you, you can go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and we will start to post all of the vehicles that we have built for our dealers. Meaning, all the vehicles that are for sale on dealers' lots right now will be on our website. You can scroll through, find the perfect vehicle, and then call them up and go buy it today. So, again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, give us a call, shoot us an email. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.